Omi, come here and show me your shell. Come here, walk. I don't know. Come on. Show me your shell. Show me your shell. Cutie.
There's no fish. Daddy's finding a fish.
Daddy's finding a fish.
Yeah. Daddy's finding
Sino man? Baka meron.
Oops.
Oh my God!
Ito, meron pa isa.
Or did you get wet?
I got one more.
You got one. Let's see.
They're two already.
Whee!
They're happy.
Yeah, they're friends.
Do you see any more here? Dad, do you see more? I want to see.
Omi, smile.
Oh my gosh!
What's going on?
Daddy's taking fish. Daddy's taking fish. Daddy's getting fish, Mama.
Yeah, I know. Be careful.
What will Mama take?
What? Did you catch a fish?
I catch a fish for a long
Let me see, Daddy. Where's the fish?
Oh my
Ooh,
God!
eh, patay na yata eh.
Hindi no?
Pati siya nalangoy.
Sa puffer fish.
Puffer fish?
Yeah.
May laso niya, di ba?
Hindi. Ito kinain mo. Ayun mo, isa puffer fish.
Omi!
Isa puffer fish.
Daddy! Daddy, wave! Oh no, Daddy can hear us. Daddy! Oh no!
Isa fish. Wait, let's put in the water.
Lot of fish.
Hey, it's a fish. We need to put in the water because